Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by securing what you already have. Export your current HUD and sensitivity to files or iCloud so you can revert. Next, place the trusted JSON config into the Files app where Bgmi can reach it. Make sure the file name is clear. Once done, confirm Bgmi has permission to access files and that your game is updated. These first steps prevent data loss and ensure the import will target the correct layout and sensitivity slots. When you can now open Bgmi and go directly to controls, then layout or sensitivity import. Tap import, pick the JSON from files, and choose the slot where you want it applied. Think of slots as quick presets. After the import, don't leave it at that. Test each sensitivity axis and adjust aim assist, ads, and camera settings so they feel natural. Make small incremental changes and retest in training. This is why you kept a backup, so you can compare and revert if needed. Finish by restarting Bgmi and validating the imported config in training mode, checking recoil control and strafing feel. If something behaves oddly, re-import your backup slot or clear the game cache. Also ensure the app and iOS are up to date. If the import still fails, move the JSON to a different files folder and re-grant permission before trying again. One key tip: always keep labeled backups for different weapons or playstyles so you can switch without downtime.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.